Here is how to disable Autoplay on Spotify. Now, if you are on Spotify on a phone or a computer, you can always turn off that annoying Autoplay feature. I will show you how to do it. So first of all, open up Spotify app and then simply tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. If you not see your profile icon, it doesn't matter, just tap on this little circle over here. And then you will see settings and privacy, so proceed to it. Next step, we should select playback, so it's a third option, playback. And now we just scroll all the way down. In very bottom you will see autoplay similar content. Next to this specific option you will see this toggle, enable it. So basically tap on this toggle to disable it. And now we just turn off autoplay. But you should notice, if you use on computer or wherever you have Spotify account, you should similar disable on your account this autoplay feature.